In today's video, I will tell you that how you can become a call center operator in Australia. So there is a job website called seek.com. I will go on to that website, share really important information with you which will really help you and guide you to become a call center operator in Australia. So first I will show you the jobs available right now in Australia as a call center operator in different states and cities and towns. And then I will go about to tell you that what are the steps to become a call center operator in Australia. It will not only help you to become a call center operator in Australia, but will also give you an idea if you belong to some other country. It will give you an idea that how you can become a call center operator in whatever country you are from. Alright guys, so let's share that information with you guys. Alright, so here it is seek.com.au as you can see on your screen. In the search option I put call center operator and then I have selected call center and customer service. As you can see on the screen, these are the options I have chosen. I have not chosen any state or city or town, so it will give me the jobs from all over Australia. So let's have a look guys. Call center representative, member solution consultant, Australian Retirement Trust is the company name. The job is in Brisbane, Queensland. Flexible work options available, permanent opportunity, and the salary is 64,770 per annum plus super. Let's click on this. Alright, so if you click on that link, there is a apply button. You click on apply and then you can be able to put your details in that. There will be a form will open onto the page and you can fill out that form, fill in your details, attach your resume and then submit your form to apply for this job. National Call Center Operator, TK Elevator, also in Sydney, Alexandria town. Friendly team and great company culture, full-time position, immediate start. And this one, call center operator, Dubbo. Dubbo is a town in New South Wales which is really inland, quite far from Sydney, 600 kilometers from Sydney. The job is in Dubbo, central New South Wales. There is no shortage of call center jobs. You can find it anywhere in Australia. So let's go on to the requirements to become a call center operator in Australia. Okay, so this is a page where you need to go to. Call center operator, provide customer service for an organization in a call center. What is it like to be a call center operator? Call center operator answer telephone, email and internet inquiries about goods and services provided by the organization they work for. They may also be responsible for promoting the goods and services or handling complaints about them. So there is a small YouTube video of this person telling us about how is it like to become a call center operator. I cannot play this video because of the copyright issues, but if you go onto this website, you will be able to play this video and watch it yourself. Task and duties: answering incoming calls and making outgoing calls, reading and responding to emails, chat and messages, assisting customers with their inquiries, escalating to a more senior team member when required, transferring customers to different departments, coaching junior member of staff, creating interests in goods and services, resolving complaints and minimizing lasting negative feeling regarding goods or services, updating database or software with customer information, organizing for invoices, receipts, products and information kits to be sent to customers. Call center operators are required to have strong customer service and communication skills. They may be required to work shifts outside of regular business hours. Formal qualifications are not required to become a call center operator. Undertaking a course may assist you to build your skills, help you thrive in the role. So you do not need formal qualification or any qualification to become a call center operator. All you need is good communication skills and good customer service skills. The course which will help you to enhance your skills are Certificate 3 in Business Customer Engagement through a TAFE or registered training organization to develop your customer service skills, progress your career, and prepare for team leadership with a certificate 4 in leadership and management. So these are the 2 certificate courses you need to enhance your skill as a call center operator. Alright guys, I hope these information really helped you getting an idea that how you can become a call center operator in Australia. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.